Whether your tooling and fixture design process is a simple 2D workflow or a more complicated 3D design task, BricsCAD offers the right tools to tackle it efficiently. You can easily use part and assembly design data as a reference, whether 2D or 3D, regardless of its original format, and create jigs, fixtures, and tooling around it. Intelligent AI-powered tools help you create your own custom parts fast and accurately. BricsCAD's extensive library of standard components enables you to build jig and fixture assemblies with very little effort. And the ability to quickly introduce standard parts from tooling suppliers, whatever format they may be in, allows you to complete your work ahead of schedule. BricsCAD gives you the power to create precise jig, fixture, and tooling designs and create detailed drawings of them quickly and accurately, helping you to avoid costly delays in getting your products manufactured.